this is massive. Hi guys, what's poppin'? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So guys, today is my birthday. I have decided to start treating myself, and that just because I have kids doesn't mean my life should end. So today I'll be checking myself into a 5-star hotel in downtown Dallas, and I'll be giving you guys a tour. Are you ready for this? Let's go guys. Once you walk in, it's wow. So look how spacious. Alright guys, on the right hand side, through those doors you have the bathroom. But before we get into the bathroom, let's see what we have here. In here we have a coffee machine, some complimentary water, drawers for storage. Here we have snacks. I don't think they're free. You see, the thing with 5-star hotels is they get greedy sometimes. See, we have a refrigerator with drinks here, which are definitely not free. There you go. You have to pay, and there will be a price list somewhere, I'm very sure. Okay, let's close this. Okay, this is the right hand side wardrobe. I like the colors. So on this hand side, this wardrobe or closet has everything you need. Oh yeah, I love it. It's such a good quality. This is such a good quality, mamma mia. Okay guys, and then some slippers. So I put my stuff in here already, and I have some of my stuff here as well. Okay, so what do we have behind this bathroom? Okay, very important, an iron board. Okay, yeah, I have some of my stuff as well. All right guys, let's go. I need to... Okay, this is the bathroom. Voila. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm kind of curious what they have in here. I love this thing. It looks so nice. I love the faucet. The gold color. It's nice, kind of unique. Okay, here we have the bathtub. I like that water. It looks nice. Gold. Quite fancy. Has this fancy look. Alright guys. Here we have the toilet. toilet pot, and does that look, it looks like a mirror. Okay, so we'll add shower. So spacious, quite spacious. All right, guys. I'm assuming those are conditioner, shampoo, and shower gel. So no need to go in and show you guys. Okay, guys, we are going out. Look at that, guys. This is luxury. This is massive. Okay. So it's my birthday, guys. So I'm giving myself a birthday treat. I love it. I love how spacious this room is. You can, I think you can bring your whole family here. I think up to 10 people can fit in here. This is quite massive, my God. This is massive, guys. Okay. All right, guys. Yes. That looks like a bar or something. Alright, guys, this is such a spacious room, and the bed is spacious as well. Alright. Alright, guys, that's it for today. Thank you. Bye, guys. So guys, that's it for this tour. I hope you did enjoy this tour. If you did, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.